how to fix a frozen screen on your Dell laptop. So if your screen is unresponsive, it's stuck, or it's just not working, I'm going to show you how to go in, unfreeze, and fix your Dell laptop. Now there's two different ways to do this. So the first method is you can try using a simple key combination. What you need to do is on your keyboard, go and hold down the Windows key, the Control key, the left Shift key, and also the letter B at the same time. Now when you press all of these buttons down, your screen should flicker black, and you can check to see if the screen is now unfrozen. If it's still not working, there is one final solution. So what you need to do is come over to the power button, and you're simply going to hold this down for 60 seconds. So let's do this together now. We're going to hold this button down. And even when the screen goes black, just continue to hold this button down. Now after a full 60 seconds, you can then release this button. You can try powering your laptop back on, and that will have solved the issue where your screen is frozen. So you can see now that I can move the mouse cursor, and I can also type on the keyboard as well. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.